HyperX continues to produce a deluge of peripherals for all different types of gamers in the race to cover every single body part that can game. More than simply headsets and mice are now available from the company. A month ago, they unveiled their first ever gaming displays. HyperX will soon begin producing prescription eyeglasses and those dubious gaming sleeves that I see experts players swear by. Given the variety of other products HyperX offers, including some genuinely excellent ones like their wireless Cloud Alpha headset, the Cloud Stinger 2 almost seems insignificant. However, its low-cost $50 price puts it in competition with headsets like the SteelSeries Arctis 1 and 3, the Razer Kraken X, and quite honestly, its own predecessor, the Cloud Stinger, which costs about $30. The Cloud Stinger 2's characteristics are remarkably similar to those of the first headset. The headset is all black plastic, and the microphone is rather portable. It has dynamic 50mm speakers with neodymium magnets, a 3.5mm headset connector, a frequency response of 10 Hz to 28 kHz, and a splitter that is provided. It's the type of $50 headset that you might purchase off Amazon or a store shelf because it's there and will work, but you might later wish you had done a little more homework. The Cloud Stinger 2's headphone appearance, which negates many of its audio quality advantages, is its worst flaw. The cheap plastic feel is typical at this price level, and probably not a cause for concern if you've never purchased headphones that cost more than $150. But this headset has deeper issues. The rotating ear cups are meant to help you flatten the headphones so you can fit it into a bag, but because they are attached to the thinnest section of the headband and are so flimsy, I'm worried that one wrong movement could cause them to break. One of the main issues with the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 is that it feels cheap, even a few days after introduction. The Cloud Stinger 2 is made entirely of plastic, which contributes to its incredibly lightweight. With the Cloud Stinger 2, you hardly notice that you're wearing a headset at all because it weighs only 0.6 pounds. Additionally, this revision is more adaptable than the original. Now that it has floppy adjustment points that let you quickly find the ideal position for the headset, it resembles the HyperX Cloud headset more. The adjustment points on the previous version are identical, however the thick plastic shell made them a little trickier to work with. Every time I take them off, they flap back and forth, making it difficult to hold onto them with one hand. I haven't experienced anything life-threatening, but I have handled things clumsily, and I worry that if I drop or twist really hard, the headbands would fracture or shatter. The idea of spending the upcoming years with them seems riskier than it should be at this cost. Other than that, these fit perfectly. You're holding a hamburger in one hand, but they're snug enough to stay on my head as I move around. I too wear glasses, and I can't always say the same about my typical pair of Beyerdynamic DT990 Pros, which are similar to the DT900 Pro X in appearance. Although the leatherette pads on it seem a little flimsy and could eventually wear out or split, I doubt you'll find much better at this price point. The audio quality is excellent, particularly when the built-in DTS Headphone X spatial audio codec is on. The code for 2 years is included. Although it seems a little gimmicky at first, I enjoyed how it increased the mid-tones and gave several instrumental pieces a dramatic, stage-like feel. Probably not everyone will like it. I wasn't particularly impressed by the effect in games. It sounds the same whether the feature is turned on or off in a game like Overwatch, where audio is crucial, and mixed with that in mind, Elden Ring sounded louder, but not significantly different from when it was playing in stereo. That you have to pay for DTS Headphone X after 2 years is also a shame because, without it, the headphones are quite neutral, with the highs coming through more than anything else. They sound excellent in games, but maybe a tad monotonous in other contexts. The headset microphone is about as useful as any other in this price range. Although it has a slightly distant sound, it is clear and loud enough to be heard over game audio. Even when I was conversing, the noise-canceling technology blocked out the clicks and taps of my mechanical keyboard and mouse. The microphone arm swivels up, mutes automatically, and is small, so even when it's in front of your face, it won't be an inconvenience. It's somewhat terrible that a strong audio package is contained within such a poor frame. I can't get over how flimsy the Cloud Stinger 2 feels and looks, even if it would be a capable headset and a great cheap purchase. There are earlier, less expensive headsets with sturdier frames available. The original Cloud Stinger is one example. The Stinger 2 might be suitable for someone who treats their headset as if it were a fragile flower, but for $50, you can obtain a more durable option that won't be damaged in the event of an accidentally dropped or twisted object. The Cloud Stinger 2 is the headset for you if you're looking for a cheap headset that performs almost everything correctly, with comfort that even the greatest gaming headsets can't equal, and sound quality that can compete with the best headsets available. It manages characteristics that are typically only found in more expensive headsets. The Cloud Stinger 2 is proof that you can obtain a quality headset without spending a lot of money, unless you truly require wireless. It's the sweet spot and evidence that $50 will get you a fantastic gaming experience. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.